Okay guys, we're going to install the AsRock Thunderbolt 4 AIC card, revision 2.0. This card is actually from Japan, bought from eBay. Believe it has the exact same specs. Okay, here's the setup. Here's the AsRock Z790 board. Got the Lian Li Galad 3, Trinity Performance Galahad 2 AIO 4070 Super with a 13900K. I've already opened this up and looked at it. There's not too many videos out there on Thunderbolt card installation, so let's give it a shot. So here's the card itself. It's got 2 DisplayPort in and 2 Thunderbolt. It's a PCIe 3x4, so I'm going to actually plug it into my PCI 2 because my PCI 3 down there in the bad cable management is a 3x1. So we're gonna just plug this bad boy in, screw it in, and then there are 2 cables. This is the actual USB cable, 9-pin, and then this is the most important cable, the 9-pin Thunderbolt to 5-pin on the motherboard. And then it also comes with 2 DisplayPort cables for graphics card to the in, and then you can run your USB-C cable out to a monitor. Alright, and also has like a old school DVD, and I think the warranty card's all in Japanese. Alright, let's get to it. Okay, step 1, place the USB cable onto the 9-pin on the board, and then the 9-pin of the Thunderbolt cable onto the card. And then, I better secure that a little better. Okay. And we're going to screw it in. Let's go upside down. Okay. Card is in. And then this right there, that is the Thunderbolt header on my PC, on my motherboard. So I'm going to go ahead and plug this guy in there, and then the USB cable into an open USB 2.0. USB's plugged in, and now let's do the Thunderbolt. Snap. USB, Thunderbolt. And we'll just put a screw in to secure, and we'll go into BIOS, enable Thunderbolt, and should be good to go. Just like that. So you have to go on it and turn all these to enable. They were all disabled. Turn them all on. Okay, exit. All right, so we'll do Thunderbolt. PCIe tunneling enabled now. So what I'm going to do, since I don't have a license on Thunderbolt, I'm going to use this Easy Computer Sync from Bravura software. It does the exact same thing as Thunderbolt Share from Intel. Go to my next computer. Share. Boom, boom. Connection. I might have to check. Connection detected. Then you do the same things here as you would in Thunderbolt Share. Drag and sync files, all of your files, transfer data from an old computer to a new computer. This is the best one, drag and drop files. So I can go here, I have my ProArt, my work, and then my personal, and you can just seamlessly transfer files. And just to show you the network speed, the connection speed, it's this unidentified Ethernet, 20 gigabytes per second. Alright, let's try a big file and see what we get. Let's go from let's just try so right now I'm getting 4.3 it's not bad. Oops. It's a huge file. How many gigs is that file? My Pix4D folder is let's see, I gotta go to my other computer. Okay, it's 602 gigabytes, so it's transferring around anywhere from 3 to 4 gigabytes per second, or gigabits, whatever. Okay, well that's Thunderbolt. Oh, just to show you, it's rat's nest, but I've got Thunderbolt plugged in right here. Thunderbolt on the new card. Right there. I have 2 Thunderbolts plugged in, excuse me. This ProArt motherboard has